Yeah, so for week two of my project this week, have it published, updated on Render, and so to check if nothing is breaking, I'll check my contacts first. Yeah, and there I have it. I have all the contacts that I entered into the database, and so it's just to make sure that nothing is breaking. Then let's visit our main topic for today, API docs. So this is my Swagger API that um, I have built, and to check if everything is working fine. Can see from contacts here. Um, it's executed, yeah, and then so you can see it returned 200 code, and then we can see that we have all our contacts that we've um, entered so far into our database listed right here. And so that is to show that everything is working fine. And let's do same for um, our post endpoints. We would use this to actually create a new contact or add a new contact. And because we already have the database in Mongo automatically generating an ID for us, we can only edit for first name, last name, email, favorite color, and then birthday. And so let's assume I want to use myself as well. Okay, then email as well. Okay, gmail.com. My favorite color, indigo, and then my date of birth, according to the format that we have. It's year, the month, and then the, and so I'm going to do the year, the month, and then the day. Yeah, and then once that is done, I can click execute, and after clicking execute, we had a 204 confirming that this data has been received into the database. And so we can check that by visiting get endpoint for our contacts. Let's execute that again. Then when we scroll through, we should be able to see Oswald Okine updated with an automatically generated ID. And so it means as stands, we have about five contacts in database or collection. So uh, that confirms that get endpoints is working fine. Sorry, I didn't do that for our hello world. So yeah, then we can see that hello world is being returned. So that also confirms the home endpoint is working fine as well. And let's try and then do that for let's try and then see if we can fetch a particular contact by ID. So because we have all our contacts here, let me just copy an ID, and then save. Yeah, and then we have it here. Once we search by ID, we have the associated information for that particular ID also pulled up. And so that confirms our get endpoint for our contacts is working fine. And now let's check for our put endpoint. And this is where we are going to try to update a contact and then see if everything works. So I'm going to use the same ID I used as before. Name, I think name was Ella Dufie. So let me, previous email we have here is ella.dufie@gmail.com. So for this, I'm just going to change her favorite color instead of, yeah, so I think her favorite color is blue. So I'm going to change her favorite color to, let's say, brown. Yeah, and then her birthday, as we have it, that doesn't change. So still keep it. Let me copy that. Yeah, and so once I execute this, we expect that her favorite color should be updated into a database. So I've executed it. Now let's try and see if it got updated in our get endpoint for our yeah. So as you can see here, we have brown um, updated very nicely. And so that confirms our put endpoint for our contact is also working. And the delete should be working for now. I do not want to delete any contact, but if I wanted to do that, I'll just input the ID of the contact I want to delete and then execute it, and then check that um, over here, and then we should be missing my contact. For now, the total number of contacts that we have is 5. And when we go to when we visit, we can actually check that on MongoDB Compass, and then confirm that our contacts are appearing on there. And so to confirm that we have everything successfully updated in our collection database, or in our collection called contact, I have already connected that to Compass, our cluster to Compass already. So we can just visit it over here. And then I name the project one, and then we can find our contacts collection over here. And then we are expected to see about 5. Yeah, the one, including the one that I added, which is the last one here, swallow kind. And so that successfully um, shows that everything is working perfectly.